welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So for today's video, what I'm going to do is I will cash stuff my sinking funds, and I have 4 binders here. Just like last year, I still have the same binders. My priority binder here, my health binder, my birthday or occasion binder, and family binder, and the low priority one. So before I start, let me thank all of you who watch my video and supporting my channel. For all of you, God bless you, and I really appreciate your help and your support. So without further ado, let's start. So what I have here is $2,000. I already counted this one out, but for for double checking, I will recount it again. I will count it again. So this folded one is it's $100 each, and the rest is in $100 notes. So let's start. Well, let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's total of 2,000. So where this money came from? So the money came from our income. So what I do on my budget is the same as usual. If you don't know how I budget our income, you can check my other videos. It's almost the same. So for our salary, it's a combined salary of me and my husband, and I will budget it first, calculate our bills, and segregate all the necessary fixed expenses, variable expenses, a little bit of savings for ourselves in payment of our hard work, and what's left goes to our sinking funds. So for emergency fund, hang on, I allocated here $50. So I will update the tracker later. So let's just get this one first. $50. Oh, upside down bill. Let's and $10 here. So $50. For education, for my son's education, I allocated here $100. So last January it's 800, so it's now 900. For travel, so from my 52 weeks challenge, I still have the money here. I forgot to put it in the bank, but I will put it when I have time. So it's supposed to be 2,990, but I add I add some more, I think $10 to make it 3,000. So this one will be on our travel fund. That's why I put it here. This those don't. If you want to watch that video, I will put the link on in up there. So for travel, additional of $50. And for my parents, for my mom, my nanay, I allocated here $50, and for my mother-in-law another $50. So let's get here this 100 change into, okay, so they have $50 each. Okay, this is a long term for me. I will keep saving for them. Okay, so now they got 1,050 each. I haven't updated the tracker yet, so it's 1,050 each. Yeah. Oh, this is the new tracker. Sorry. So for Christmas, I allocated here $250 to make it 500. So let's get this. Get 300. Get 300 from here. Sorry if you didn't see the money. And get and put back 50 here. So now it's 500. And then next one is our health fund. Let's move it back here. This white binder is for health fund. So for general health, like consultation, vitamins, and medicines. This is the envelope. This is the envelope. So for general health, I allocated here $50. For dental, I allocated here $50 as well. So the total amount now here is eyeglasses. I allocated here $50. And for beauty and self-care, I allocated here $50 as well. So what's the use of sinking fund for me? This method is like the money that you don't need now, but you will need in the future. So, and next for haircut, I don't allocate it here. That's why the money in my all sinking funds is up and down, up and down, because I'm using it for the purpose that I put it in here. So for health, yeah, you know what I mean. So for birthdays, so for my birthday and my daughter's birthday, I allocated here 150 each. Yep, 150 each. So give me 300. Okay, so 150 for me. And give a change here. And 150 for her. Then let's change this. I put it on the same envelope because we have same birthday month, which is from the time that I uploaded it. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yeah, it's gonna be my birthday when I upload this one. My birthday month is next month, so let's wait for that. So for my other daughter, she born on May, so I allocated here $50. We still have money left here, but because she didn't finish it last year, so now she got 400 950. Yay, yay. And for my son and my husband's birthday, they born in the same month, so I allocated here $50. Oh no, $100 each. So now they got 300 each. And for my mom's birthday, my nanay, it's in October, so I allocated her $50 for now. So let's finish our birthday first, and then I will allocate it here, I think more than 50 later on. So for family fun, it's $50. And now it's 100. Oh, upside down, cannot. And for date and anniversary, it's $50 as well. For holidays and festivities, it's $50 as well. And for gifts, I allocated here $50 too. And last one is for my amigas, my two best friend, all which is so busy like me. So I allocated here $50. Hey you, my best friends, if you're watching this, let's go. I have money here to spend too. So it's now 650. Okay. Amiga V, if you're watching, let's go. My other amiga is not watching my video, so he's not into budget video. So next one is my low priority one for household. I allocated here $50. So what's this for? This one is for the house maintenance and some furniture or electronics that we need to buy, but the the money that left here is still not, maybe not enough if there's an electronics that will be broken in the future. But hopefully not now. I don't have enough money yet, so I allocated here 50. So the bulb, the faucet, this is for that. So light bulb, anything locked. So now the total amount here, let me 2005 6. Hala. This is what makes me confused. Yep. So it's 2,230. No, 2,500, 730. 2,730. Isn't it? Yeah. I might made a mistake here. Should be 50. Okay. So for tech and gadget, I allocated here 200. So I will not count it. This is 200. So 200. And for shopping, I haven't do shopping for a long time because I'm not a shopper, but I still allocated some money for shopping for my kid, for my son, and for my husband. Or if my daughter wants something that they want me to buy for them, I will get it from here. So that's. And for help or giving, I'm allocated here $50. And for hosting is if there's a relative or friends that come here to tour in Hong Kong, and this is the money that I will provide it for if I want to accommodate them or just eat out or meet them. So I have my money that I can spend for them. So I allocated here $50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is what I'm doing whole year for saving for my sinking funds and some reallocation for my completed saving challenges. So for the next video that you will see me, for the next following video, I will allocate some money that comes from a completed saving challenges, and hopefully I can do it soon. Thank you, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Make saving a habit. God bless. Bye.